Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your user experience with Hotjar detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your user experience with Hotjar, start by creating an account on the Hotjar website. Visit the Hotjar homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Once you've completed this step, confirm your email to activate your account. After logging in, you'll be prompted to set up your first project. Enter your website's URL and choose the type of site you want to analyze. Next, you'll receive a unique tracking code. Copy this code as you'll need to integrate it into your website. Access your website's content management system or HTML code editor. Paste the tracking code into the header section of your website. After saving the changes, return to your Hotjar dashboard. Now, navigate to the recording section to begin capturing user interactions. Enable recordings to gather insights on how users navigate your site. This feature allows you to play back user sessions to identify potential issues. Next, set up heat maps to visualize user engagement. Go to the heat maps section and click on Create Heat Map. Select the specific pages you want to analyze for user activity. Hotjar will start collecting data on clicks, taps, and scrolling behavior. Once enough data is gathered, review the heat map to understand user preferences. Additionally, consider utilizing Hotjar's feedback tools. Create and implement on-site surveys or feedback polls. Ask users specific questions about their experience on your site. Analyze the responses to gain valuable insights into user satisfaction. Implementing user feedback will help you make informed decisions. Lastly, monitor the data regularly and adjust your strategies accordingly. By consistently analyzing user behavior with Hotjar, you can enhance their experience. This approach not only secures your user experience but also fosters long-term engagement. Utilizing these tools effectively will lead to a more user-centric website. Continuously refine your site based on insights gathered from Hotjar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.